Right, today we are looking at enlargements from a point. Okay, so when a shape has been enlarged from a point, that means not only has the shape obviously got bigger or potentially got smaller, but in relation to it, it's got also enlarged by the distance from the point it's been enlarged from. Okay, so that's probably best to look at an example really to kind of explain that better. So when I enlarge a shape to a scale factor of 2 from the point 1, 1, you've got a point here which is 1, 1, and then you've got a shape. Well, if it's enlarged by a scale factor from that point, not only has my shape got twice as big, it is also twice the distance from the point it's been enlarged from. All right, so the best way of doing that really is try and think about each vertex, every corner of the shape, and then literally basically make it twice the distance from the original point. Okay, so let's start with the one corner. Okay, so we'll start here with from here, and hopefully you can see this is currently one right and one up. You can see that written at the bottom over here. So it's one right and one up from the point we've enlarged a minute. So what we're saying is it's now going to be twice the distance from there. So it's going to be two right and two up. So it's going to go to there. All right, you can see that kind of moving. Two right and two up. All right, so hence we're moving one shape. So I'll move that one. We're going to then repeat it for the other corner. All right, so we'll start with this corner over here. And if I think about that one here, it is two right and one up. And again, see it written over here. So two right and one up. So what's going to happen is it's going to go four right and two up. All right, so you can see it written there. So four right and two up. So it's going to go from there. So it's going to go up there. All right, so that's these two corners of the shape done. We now need to consider the third one, which is going to be this one here. And again, you can see hopefully that it's one right and two up. All right, and again, that's written over here. So I'm going to double that. So it's going to go two right and four up. So it's going to go where my cursor is showing there. All right, you see it kind of moving, and it's going to give you there. So that's going to give you your point where it's moved to. So I should really kind of then draw the shape. All right, and you'll see from there, it is now twice the size. All right, so it's 1 and 1, it's now 2 and 2. And of course, it is now twice the distance as well from there. All right, so that is how you enlarge a shape from a point. We're using a scale factor. All right, please do get yourself to maths-school.co.uk and have a practice of some of those. Okay, thanks for listening.